I just bought this ATX open bench case off eBay from China for $78. Let's put it together. The case comes wrapped in bubble wrap and tape and includes instructions in Chinese. Every piece of black acrylic has a removable plastic covering. This is an overview of all of the pieces and parts. I chose a WD Velociraptor as the OS drive. Mounting the connectors to the main plate. The motherboard standoffs. I mounted the hard drive facing forward for cable access. Attaching the back plate. I installed a spare motherboard that I have here in the shop. I will install a power supply and video card later. The finished open bench case. The case was easy to assemble but took about 20 minutes because of all of the small parts and details. Extra screws and DVD mount are provided. Motherboards do not require a metal case. I give it a 7 out of 10.